Take my time with it, ain't no rush with me. Yeah, go away, slowly, floating towards me, don't ever ignore.
So I wasn't originally gonna talk in this video, but I don't know, some reason I'm feeling like talking now. So what's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl BABsquad. So I'm using this Born This Way concealer to clean up under my brow in the shade Maple. And my eyebrows I used for the tail stud of the MAC brow styler, and in the front I used what is this called? Spiked. I don't ever really use spiked because I dyed my hair jet black, so now it doesn't really like match. But yeah, so I'm just carving out my brow using one of the concealer brushes from my company. And when I am done with that, I'll be back to show you what I'm going to do with the eyeshadow.
I was just calling because they were just leaving.
To prime my lid for the eyeshadow look that I'm going to do, what should I use? I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the shade Tan Sand. While I wait for that to go ahead and set a little bit, I'm going to add the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer to my T-zone. And what we're gonna do is just make this part real buttery. Okay, we're gonna take some texture out and just give my makeup something like sticky to attach to when I put on my foundation. And when I apply this primer, I never use a brush. And I know it makes me look ghosty, but like, just bear with me, guys. I'm gonna look good. I'm gonna look snatched. Okay, so for this look, I'm thinking electric blue with a nice yellow lid. So the first color I'm going into is going to be So the first color I'm gonna go into is this one right here on the James Charles palette. That shade is called Playground. The color that I'm going to use to blend out the edge is Love Handles by the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2 palette. Next color is the color right under Playground, and the shade is called Cape Cod. Oh, I'm sorry, Cola. Yeah, Cola. I'm cutting my crease with the ColourPop concealer in the shade, the lightest one, Fair. I'm gonna start filling in the crease with the first color, Playground. All right, so I also added a little bit of black to that outer corner, and now I'm going in with the Jaclyn Hill yellow called No Joke with my finger. Okay, so I kind of left you guys behind because the yellow eyeshadow started to break up on me, so I had to focus in and make sure I could get this look done. So what I did was take the No Joke yellow by Jaclyn Hill, and I'm just so disappointed. Like, I don't know why it's so difficult for companies to make a chocolate girl friendly yellow, but whatever. Or even just a quality yellow at all, because both the yellows in the James Charles palette suck too. So what I did was put on No Joke first with my finger, but then it started breaking up the more color I tried to get on there. So I had to use this brush by Morphe. That didn't exactly go well. So then I went and piled on some of the B yellow from James Charles. And so I just kind of toggled between the two and smoked it out with Playground and the black shade in the James Charles palette. Anyway, so I am going to deepen up this smoke over here on my wing a little bit. Yeah, I like that. And now I'm going to do the other eye. So. The liner I'm using is the Anastasia Beverly Hills liner. I don't know what it's called. A liquid eyeliner, liquid liner. Like, they could have made a name, but whatever. Baby, oh. CPR by Summer Walker. I think that's my favorite song by her. CPR. Because that song, child, that song is so good. While I wait for my eyelash glue to dry, I'm using the MAC Studio Fix Fluid in the shade NW44. I'm taking my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the shade Toffee. And then I'm going to golden that back up with some of the Too Faced concealer in the shade Maple. my Luxury Baking Powder by Makeup Revolution in the shade Banana Deep. I'm gonna use this dry beauty blender and pack it in under my eye and in my T-zone, everywhere I just concealed. And then I'm going to be bronzing with the Deep Bronze Maybelline Super Stay Foundation Stick.
Last night I dreamed about you. We were in Calabash. The vibe was feeling brand new.
Next step is the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the shade Dark Deep. MAC blush in the shade Rosie Does It. Essence Princess Lash Mascara. And for a little extra razzle dazzle, I'm gonna go under my eye with a shimmer shade, Ride or Diamonds from the Jaclyn Hill 2.0 palette, or Volume 2 palette rather. So that's it for the eye look, and we're almost done. Now I'm going to highlight with How Many Carats by Fenty. Usually I like my highlight to be wild and crazy, but this time we're just going to be very structured and keep it right here in this little curve. For lips, we're doing my favorite combo, which is Chestnut Liner by MAC and my Spite lip gloss. Setting my face with the NYX Matte Setting Spray. So this is my finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it and it was easy to follow. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend about me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.